Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We are doing a 4th time revision of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology, and this time we are doing it unit wise, and today we are going to discuss 15 MCQs from the unit that you're seeing on your screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Type of attachment in which tooth is embedded in a socket of jawbone is A. Thecodont, B. Diphyodont, C. Heterodont, or D. Homodont. Type of attachment in which tooth is embedded in a socket of jawbone is. The correct answer is option A. Thecodont. Question 2. The 10th cranial nerve is vagus nerve, ophthalmic nerve, optic nerve, or vestibulocochlear nerve. 10th cranial nerve is. The correct answer is option A, that is vagus nerve is the 10th cranial nerve. Question 3. Normal RBC count is 5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter, 6 to 6.5 million per millimeter cube, 4 to 4.5 per millimeter cube, 3 to 3.5 per millimeter cube. What is the normal WBC count? The correct answer is 5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter, that is option A. The normal RBC count is important. What is the size of RBC? That is also asked. What is the size of RBC? Yes, 7 micrometers is the size of normal RBC. So these two are important facts about RBC that you need to know. In fact, the normal range of hemoglobin is also asked. Question 4. Which of the following statements is correct? Z line bisects I band. I band is made of thick filaments. M line bisects I band, or thin filaments are firmly attached to M line. Which of the following statements is correct? The answer is option A. Z line bisects the I band. That's the correct statement. Question 5. 180 liters of filtrate is formed each day, but only 1.5 liter of urine is passed. This happens because of option A. Reabsorption, option B. Ultrafiltration, option C. Tubular secretion, or option D. Filtration. 180 liter of filtrate is formed each day, but only 1.5 liter of urine is passed. The correct answer is option A. Because of reabsorption, out of 180 liter of filtrate that is formed, only 1.5 liter of urine is passed. Question 6. The correct value of tidal volume in ml per minute is 6,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 10,000, 500 to 600, 5,000 to 6,000. Correct value of tidal volume in ml per minute is. The correct answer is option A, 6,000 to 8,000. 500 ml is the tidal volume per breath. 6,000 to 8,000 is tidal volume in 1 minute. Question number 7. Vasopressin is concerned with metabolism, regulation of heartbeat, urine formation, childbirth. Vasopressin, also known as ADH, is concerned with. Correct answer is option C, that is urine formation. Question number 8. Which vitamin is required for synthesis of rhodopsin? Vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D, or vitamin A? Vitamin required for synthesis of rhodopsin. Correct answer is option D, that is vitamin A. Question number 9. Ball and socket joint can be seen in option A, wrist, option B, fingers, option C, neck, option D, arms. Ball and socket joint can be seen in. Correct answer is option D, arms. Question number 10. Normal odor of human urine is option A, like of bitter almonds, option B, like of pineapple, option C, of some decaying fruit, or option D, ammoniacal smell. Normal odor of human urine is. The correct answer is option D, it is ammoniacal. Question number 11. Clot inside a blood vessel is known as thrombus, option B, embolism, option C, thrombosis, or option D, fibrin plug. Clot inside a blood vessel is known as. The correct answer is option A, thrombus. Embolism and thrombosis is a process, and thrombus is the clot formed. What is embolism? When this thrombus breaks from one point and goes and blocks some other vessel, that's known as embolism. And this thrombus that once embolizes, it is known as embolus. So at initial point where a clot is formed, it is called as thrombus. Question number 12. Which hormone is secreted by women if pregnancy has occurred? Estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin. Hormone secreted in a woman if pregnancy has occurred. Correct answer is option D, human chorionic gonadotropin. Question number 13. Which of the following statements is correct? Z-line bisects the I-band. I-band is made of thick filaments. M-line bisects the I-band, or thin filaments are firmly attached to M-line. You have to mark the correct statement. The correct answer is option A, that is Z-line bisects the I-band. Question number 14. The breakdown product of hemoglobin is option A, bilirubin, option B, biliverdin, option C, hemocyanin, or option D, skatol. The breakdown product of hemoglobin is. The correct answer is option A, bilirubin. And what is bilirubin? It is a bile pigment. Question number 15. Islets of Langerhans produces option A, insulin, option B, renin, option C, tylen, option D, HCl. Islets of Langerhans produces. The correct answer is option A, that is insulin. Where are islets of Langerhans present? They are present in pancreas. There are three types of cells. Alpha cells produces glucagon, beta cell produces insulin, right? Renin is produced from JG cells. Tylen is an salivary amylase, so it is produced by salivary gland, and HCl secreted in stomach. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next unit of NCERT biology. So read all the chapters of next unit and attempt the tomorrow's MCQ session. So that would be all for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.